My name is Marie Sollett. I'm the branch manager of the Poe Library on Sullivan's Island, and today in our origami series I'm going to teach you how to make a dragonfly. This one I'm using a cut to make the wings, so technically this is kirigami, not origami. We take our paper and we fold it in half, triangle-wise, and then in half again, triangle-wise. And now we open up the side to form a diamond. Flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna open this up, match the point here, press the sides down to form a diamond. And we fold with the open corner towards you, we fold the sides into the middle. If you've been doing origami with us, you'll recognize this as being the same as the crane or the giraffe. Do the same thing to the other side, fold it to the middle. And now I'm going to open these up, refold it along the creases you made. Flip it over, open up the other side. And now still on the open end, we're folding to the middle again on both sides. Other side, fold it to the middle. And now we're gonna flip both sides up. Looking very much like the crane, except now we fold this, we reverse fold this out straight. Straight as possible. And we reverse fold this. And we tuck that in. Completely disappear. We open it up. And now we use scissors. To separate the middle. Open up those ways a little bit to be a dragonfly.